Hello and welcome to our channel. We're going to tell you a story. Sometimes, life brings someone into your world when you least expect it. They change the way you see everything: yourself, your dreams, even your fears. But what happens when love arrives, just before goodbye? This is the story of two people who met in the rain, who taught each other the meaning of courage, and who proved that sometimes the stars really do wait for us. It was raining. Maya sat in a small cafe. She looked at her coffee. She thought about her life. She worked in a bookstore. She had a secret dream. She wanted to be a writer. But she was afraid to try. She was also afraid of love. Love could hurt. Love could break her heart. Then, the door opened. A man walked in. Not like a movie hero. He was quiet, but something about him made her look twice. His name was Arav. She did not know it yet, but his name would one day feel like a song to her. He sat near her table. He saw her book. It was The Little Prince. He smiled. "That book changes each time you read it," he said. She looked up. "You've read it before?" "3 times," he said. From that day, Arav came to the cafe more often. Sometimes they talked. Sometimes they just read in silence. One evening, they walked by the river. "I'm going abroad in 6 months," he said. "It's for my career. But I'm not sure I should go." "Why not?" she asked. "Because I've met someone who makes me want to stay." But she said nothing. She was not ready. Weeks passed. One day, Arav looked at her. "You are afraid," he said. "Not of me, but of what this could be." She looked away. "I'm not someone who can give a happy ending," she whispered. "You don't have to give me a happy ending," he said. "Just give me a beginning." Then, one morning, a letter came. It was from Arav. "Maya, I leave in 2 weeks. I don't want you to wait for me. I don't know when I will return." Her hands shook. Her eyes burned. He was leaving. On his last night, she went to the station. She saw him with his suitcase. "Maya," he said, surprised. "You once asked me for a beginning," she said. "This is it. If you go, I will wait. If you stay, I will fight for your dreams with you." He hugged her. The train whistle blew. "I have to go," he whispered. "Not because I want to leave, but because I need to become someone worthy of you." The train left. She stood alone on the platform. Months passed. Maya worked at the bookstore, but now she also wrote her book. Every night, she wrote about love, loss, and courage. After months, she finished her story. Far away, Arav worked hard. When life felt heavy, he looked at a photo of Maya in his wallet. "I'm coming back stronger," he told himself. 1 year later, Maya's book was published. People loved it. They called it a love letter to patience. One autumn afternoon, the cafe door opened. It was Arav. "You came back," she said. "I told you I would," he smiled. But life tested them again. Arav's company offered him a bigger job. It was in another country. "I can't leave you again," he said. "You must take it," she said. His eyes widened. "What?" "Take it. But I'll come with you. I can write anywhere. I don't want to wait at train stations anymore. If you chase your dreams, I'll chase them with you." 2 years later, Maya's second book became a bestseller. Arav started his own company. They traveled the world together. When people asked their secret, Maya said, "Love is not about finding someone perfect. It's about finding someone who will grow with you, no matter how far the train goes." White heavy check mark motivational message for listeners. Love needs courage. Distance is not the end. The best love grows with time and effort. I hope you enjoyed this story. Have you ever experienced Share your stories with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories and adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.